Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to discuss the battery life on the Poco F2 Pro. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so I've been using the Poco phone for about 6 days now, and I just want to discuss the battery life that I am getting on this phone. Battery life has been really good, almost amazing. I am getting over like 9 hours of screen on time, 8.5 hours of screen on time, and with about 36 hours off the charge, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. That battery life is better than my V60, even without the dual case on there. I'm not getting that much battery life using the V60 without the case, which is kind of amazing. I wasn't expecting like the greatest battery life using the F2 Pro, but I'm really impressed with it, and it's just great not to have to charge your phone so much. I probably will come back with another video and show you how quick you can charge it, because a lot of people have been asking about, you know, is it compatible, can you charge it, how fast does it charge? So that video probably will be next. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want to see that video or not. But look at it. And yes, I still love that accent button right there. Yes, I do. And the screen is gorgeous too, by the way. So right now I'm at 3%, but I had to charge the phone a little bit just to make this video, because I kind of was going to make the video and then I got busy and it completely died on me. But let me bring up some screenshots. Alright, so before I charged it just now, I posted this on Twitter. 9 hours and 18 minutes of screen on time with almost 36 hours off the charge. Then the other day it was 8 hours and 39 minutes with over 36 hours of off the charge time, which for me, that is really good. I usually don't get those type of results from any phones. I'm talking Note 9, Note 10 Plus, S20 Ultra, LG V60 Thin Q, LG V8, LG G8 Thin Q, also my Moto G Stylus. I'm not pulling those numbers either. And you can tell I usually have my screen about like right here. I have Bluetooth on, sometimes on Wi-Fi, sometimes on LTE, especially if I'm going outside somewhere. And we get out the house a lot, especially at work. The other day was at work. I'm still getting that speeds. I have Facebook, I have over 100 and something apps, so it's not like I'm not using a phone. This has my main SIM card in it. I'm making calls, taking photos, so I'm getting great battery life. If you have the Poco F2 Pro, let me know what type of battery life you're getting. Also, let me know if you're enjoying the phone. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming up. Probably will do like a week later impression video. Also, probably about tomorrow or something. It may be posted by the time you actually watch this video. Just one more time, let's look at the phone. I love the blue color. Okay, so I'm going to just wrap this up. It just wanted to be a quick discussion video about the battery life that I'm getting on the Poco F2 Pro and what you can expect. I think I use my phone heavily, especially during the testing period. I'm always on it, taking pictures, looking at Instagram, playing games, doing everything that I possibly can do, and I'm getting those battery life things. I also probably will come back and do like a battery drain test against the V60 just for the heck of it. Why not? But y'all let me know what y'all thought about this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Poco F2 Pro. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.